Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning around 8:40. This is your pre-opening commentary. It's video number 340. And if you like the work, please hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so we have a mixed opening coming. The Dow futures are down about 50. The NASDAQ futures are up about 45. And the S&P is vacillating between up 2 and down 2. Europe was down. The Asian markets were a little on the soft side. Although Japan had PMI, which was 42.6 versus 40.1, so that was a slight improvement. Australia missed on retail sales. South Korea, the government there is talking about lowering capital gains tax. We have asked China to close their consulate in Houston. They're making all kinds of noise about retaliation. And Taiwan is exhibiting a great deal of angst at issues with China and their general feels. The president has done what seems to be an about face on the virus. So, we'll see what he has to say later today or tomorrow or in the middle of the night when he tweets. Texas Instruments had earnings yesterday. It was a beat with raised guidance. The stock closed 137 or is trading 137.60, up $2.12 or 1.6%. Biogen IDEC, BIIB, actually beat on earnings but missed on revenues and gave lowered guidance, but yet the stock is trading $287.50, which is up $7 and change, or 2.6%. Snap beat top and bottom line also, but the stock has been up recently. There was a little bit of disappointment in their guidance for daily active users, and the stock, which has come up from the teens, is currently $22.95, down $1.79. Best Buy increased guidance on sales. The stock is $94.86, up $4.58 or 5%. I mean, that's a great number from a company that has been closed. So, as it's beginning to reopen, I guess things are looking better and better for them. Pfizer and BioNTech, BNTX, I've discussed it here for a while. They're getting $2 billion from the government for the production of vaccines. Pfizer is a little bit of a stodgy old company, and yet it's moved up from 32 to about 36 3/4. This morning on that news, it's been as high as 39.15. The last is 38.55, up $1.90 or 5%. BNTX is 97.20, and that's up 3.70 also. Okay, the chart here is the oil, which is really trying to move higher. The big problem here is the gap that it left on the downside, and the fact that although the moving averages are up, they seem to be faltering a little here, and we didn't get any follow through, and we have this 200-day moving average at 43.80 or so, which could be a bit of a problem for it, along, as I said, with that gap. The gold just exploded up. This is for those of you who have not ever seen a short squeeze in a commodity, that's what this is. It's more so in the silver, and what you have to understand about commodities is it's a zero-sum game. which means that as things go to new high, everybody who has sold or sold short is wrong. We have the same situation with the silver. Unfortunately, we sold it against resistance and it has just exploded, gone parabolic. And so we left a little on the table, but this move is clearly not over, and we will get a pullback or consolidation, and we will get back in. The chart that I've been showing every single day, morning and night, of the US dollar continues to fall. I was talking about the fact that we broke here, we've rallied up, gone down, rallied up and tried and failed over and over again. We are now under 95. This is 94.84 and a half. This close right here is 94.87 with a low of 94.61. It clearly looks like we're going to break that. The low here is 94.80, so right around that close. This is just a horrendous looking chart, and the fact is, as I've been touting you about how you look at a company's economy, is by looking at how the rest of the world values their currency. We have the problem of slowing demand. We have the COVID issue. And on top of that, we have just, exploding deficits that we're still going to have to finance. And that spells, not good things for the dollar. All right, everyone, I'll be back later. And again, the Dow futures are down about 55. S&P is down about $2. And NASDAQ is actually selling off a little, but is still up about 32 or 33 points. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe.